Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in algebra. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. What is the value of x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9? Friends, x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9 is equal to x cube whole cube plus 1 by x cube whole cube. Friends, this is in the form of a cube plus b cube, right? A cube plus b cube can be factorized into a plus b, a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. A square plus b square minus ab x cube into 1 by x cube 1. So this is so friends, now again x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to x plus 1 by x whole cube, x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x plus 1 by x, 3 into 1 x plus 1 by x. Now x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 is equal to x square whole cube plus 1 by x square, no, x cube whole square plus 1 by x cube whole square minus 1. See friends, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. So 3 cube 27 minus 3 into 3 9. 27 minus 9 18. So this is 18. This is 18 into friends x cube. Yes, this is in the form of a square plus b square. Friends, a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square. So a plus b whole square minus 2. Friends, here x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 18. So this can be written as 18 square minus 2. 18 square 324. 324 minus 2. Already minus 1 is there. So 324 minus 3. So 321. This is equal to 18 1s 18. 18 2 36 plus 1 37. 18 3 54 plus 3 57. 5778 is your answer, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.